Third, in some scenarios, we want to know the date from the date given. How to do that without using any formula in Excel? Come, well, let's see. First, select the cell or column that you want to know the day from the date. So, I just selected the whole column and right clicked it and click on the option Format Cells. Then, this wizard will get open. In that wizard, just select Numbers tab, go to Date. Here you can find many options for the date format. Here I am scrolling down and selecting the last option where I will get the day. Just give OK. Now you can see for all the date I have given, I got the day. This is the simple way of getting it. If you have any doubts in this or if you want me to cover any topic in Excel, please comment below. Do subscribe this channel to know more hacks like this. Thank you.